I've been stripping this sofa and I ran into a nightmare of staples side by side, very close into the exposed wood. On the interior portions, multiple layers with just ridiculous amount of staples with senseless amounts. So anyway, it had me getting down different staple pullers to see which worked best. I thought I'd share a little secret about the Osborne 120½. Since I began doing upholstery work in 1975, the Buckminster Staple Lifter has been my tool of choice. Press the point under the staple, twist, and lift the staples out. This is the Osborne 120½. I don't pull it down very often. It's not always as effective with shorter staples, but I'd like to clue you in on a little trick how to use these. In looking at this tool, logic would tell you to push the prongs under and pry the staple. Actually, these work best upside down, pushing the point under and then turning them out. I'm using this base as my pivot point.